So for this one, we're being asked to solve for x. In other words, we want to make it look like x equals some stuff. Okay. So I'm going to distribute this 2 through the parentheses. All right. So 2 times x is going to be 2x. 2 times positive 1 is just a plus 2, right? Positive 2 is equal to 3x minus 5. Now, if I want x equaling some stuff, I got to move 1x over to the other side. So I want to move the lower of the 2. So 2x is lesser than 3x. So to move the whole thing, I'm moving the 2 with the x. So in order to do that, I'd want to subtract 2x. These cancel, and I get 2 is equal to 3 minus 2, which is 1, x. And then tack on the minus 5 at the bottom. X by itself, so to move the minus 5 away, I have to add 5, right? Because the 5 is subtracting from x. I want to move it away from the x, so I do the inverse. So I add 5 to both sides, and I get 7 equals x, or x equals 7. How many of you guys got that?